7th birthday, Remil Vincent. Ito ang handa. Wow, what's this? Ay, nagbibideo. Ito ay, I don't know. Ito naman, apple. Coated in chocolate. Wow. This is his cake, cars. Look, nice. And this is the tart. Sarap to. And this hot dog and baked goodies and Coke Zero. Let's find who's here. Let's go. This is Erica. Erica King. And then April. This is Ate Marlene and Ashley. Say hello! Ashley! Yan. Tita Angie, Kuya Ronald, my beautiful mother and father, and mga pinsan kong mga talande. Alexa, Tita Loleng, Ate Lynn. This is Tacheng. Hi, Teya! Say happy birthday! Yeah! So cute! Eva, so cute! It's a video. Video.
Hello! Come on, hello.
Happy birthday, Arby!
Happy birthday, Arby. Sabi mo.
Ayaw mo
Huwag
sabihin.
niyang pumunta sa pool.
Tita Emmy. So, let's go to the pool. Let's see who are swimming. See the slide. And then, this is my brother. Sobrang negro. Okay? Saan pa tayo? This is the mother of the birthday boy. Tita Mira. Hello! And my brother Taba. Where's the birthday celebrant? We can see. We'll just go to the other swimming pool, the kiddie pool. And here it goes. Hi! Kami, Jirbu, Enteng, Steph, the children, and puti na negra na ngayon. Okay, bye-bye. Look. Who else we haven't seen? And Ate Bekbek. Come here. Wow, nagbabalat sila ng Pilipino. Wow, pansalad. Bongga. Ito naman, ang lola, ang maganda namin. And Teya again! You're here! And ito naman ang lutuan. And may Uncle Jerry. Wow. See? Let's go. My Uncle Owel. Where is the birthday celebrant? Where are you again?